already here. As you probably noticed, I'm not in the best shape. Today, or tonight. What hour is it? What day is it? Day, night, doesn't matter. For me, it's time for breakfast. So today, I'm gonna show you how to make a dwarven hangover feast.
The best way to start the day after hard drinking is to make a dwarven fried sandwich. Well, the best way to avoid such condition is not to drink with Torren. I still feel his hoof on my poor back. Second advice, never try to milk a drunk Tauren. To make a sandwich, you need some bread, because it's a sandwich. You cannot make a sandwich without bread. I don't know how it works, but the world is just like it. Start by breaking the eggs. I hope these are chicken eggs because I do not remember where I got them from.
When you get a hard, dwarven hangover, first thing you want to know is, are you still alive? There is a trick we dwarves know. Just use some hot paprika.
Dip your bread in the egg mixture with spices and herbs. Let it soak in eggs. Take a solid piece of butter and heat it in a pan. Fry the sandwich on both sides. Just do not tell your healer that you are frying on butter.
You may think your sandwich is ready, but your food is far from being done. Now the fun begins.
The secret of fried sandwich is bacon from freshly gutted wild boar. Add slices of smoked cheese and dried tomatoes. Yeah, maybe an eggman or a meatman, but there is no real man without rucola, the one and only thing that makes any food taste like cold winter mountains. Now, put the sandwich back on the crate and grill it until cheese is melted. Serve the sandwich with your favorite fruits and maple syrup. A fat and nutritious meal prepared this way is the cure for mother of all hangovers.
And to regain your appetite, remember to be hydrated. Because of that, I got here a glass of water. Damn it! It's not water, it's vodka. But don't worry, we are prepared.
This is the greatest treasure of dwarves, jar of pickles. If someone told ya we make it for winter, he lied. No one actually likes pickles.
The real reason we make it is the juice. If you are on hangover, just try it.